Be honest with me, how many times have you bought something healthy, only to let it rot in the back of your fridge because you just couldn't bring yourself to eat it? Kale that tastes like dirt. Quinoa that feels like birdseed. Or those Brussels sprouts that have haunted you since childhood. Here's the truth, some of the healthiest foods on the planet are also the most hated, not because they're bad, but because we've been cooking them wrong our entire lives. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to show you the top 5 most hated healthy foods, and more importantly, how to make them taste amazing. When you cook these the right way, they go from, ugh, gross, to, wow, I can't believe this is healthy. Let's be real, most people want to eat better. But they quit because healthy food feels like punishment. It's bland, boring, and sometimes just plain weird. But here's something science says that might surprise you, your taste buds can change. When you start eating real food consistently, your cravings shift. You stop needing all that sugar, salt, and crunch to feel good. Suddenly, the food that's good for you actually starts to taste good to you. So let's fix the 5 biggest victims of bad cooking, and turn them into your new favorites. First up, Brussels sprouts. I know. Childhood trauma. The boiled, soggy, gym sock smell version, yeah, that one scarred us all. But that's not the Brussels sprouts' fault, that's the cook's fault. Here's the secret, roast them, don't boil them. Toss them with olive oil, sea salt, cracked pepper, and a drizzle of honey or balsamic vinegar. Roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The edges caramelize, they get crispy, and suddenly, it's like eating healthy candy. Want to level it up? Sprinkle some Parmesan or crumble a bit of bacon on top. Chef's kiss. Next up, spinach. Spinach gets such a bad rep for being slimy and tasteless, but that's only when it's cooked wrong. When you use it right, it's a total powerhouse. Throw a handful of fresh spinach into your smoothie, with banana, peanut butter, and almond milk. You won't even taste it, but your body will thank you. Or sauté it lightly, and I mean lightly, with garlic and olive oil for about 90 seconds. Top it with a squeeze of lemon juice, and boom. You've got a bright, flavorful side dish packed with iron and magnesium. Number 3, salmon. Now, I've heard this one a lot, I don't like fish. But what you really don't like, is bad fish. Fresh salmon, cooked right, is juicy, rich, and full of those healthy fats that boost your brain and make your skin glow. The trick? Don't overcook it. Bake or air fry it with lemon slices, olive oil, salt, and a dash of paprika. Or go for a honey soy glaze with garlic and ginger, that combo turns salmon into a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Restaurant quality, right from your kitchen. Fourth on the list, oats. Oatmeal is boring. Heard that one before? It's only boring if you make it boring. Oats can be anything, sweet, savory, creamy, crunchy. It's all about how you build it. Try overnight oats with Greek yogurt, berries, and a drizzle of almond butter. Or a warm bowl with cinnamon, walnuts, and chopped apples. Feeling adventurous? Make a savory version, top it with avocado, a soft boiled egg, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. It's not just breakfast, it's fuel for your heart, your energy, your focus. And finally, broccoli. The ultimate childhood villain. But it doesn't have to be. Steam it lightly, don't boil it into mush. Or roast it with garlic, olive oil, and lemon zest until those edges get crispy. You can even toss it in soy sauce and sesame seeds for a tasty Asian twist. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants, and when you roast it, it develops this nutty, slightly sweet flavor that'll completely change your mind. Now, let's talk about one big myth. If it's healthy, it has to taste bad. Nope. False. That's just bad cooking. Here's the real truth, your taste buds can retrain themselves in as little as 2 weeks. If you cut down on processed sugar and salt, your body starts craving real flavor again, the natural sweetness of roasted veggies, the richness of olive oil, the crunch of nuts. Healthy food doesn't need to be boring. It just needs to be cooked with some love and intention. Here's your quick takeaway: 3 simple steps to start loving healthy food again. 1. Stop boiling the flavor out of your food. Roast it, grill it, or sauté it. Bring back that texture and aroma. 2. Pair every boring ingredient with something you already like. Spinach plus peanut butter. Brussels sprouts plus honey. Broccoli plus lemon. That's how you build habits that actually stick. 3. Keep it simple. You don't need to be a chef. You just need to try once differently. Healthy eating isn't about punishment, it's about progress. It's about learning to make food that loves you back, food that fuels your energy, sharpens your focus, and keeps you strong for the people and dreams that matter most. Now it's your turn. What's one healthy food you absolutely can't stand right now? Drop it in the comments, and I'll show you how to make it taste incredible in the next video. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video that helps you eat smarter, live stronger, and feel better every single day. Because remember, the goal isn't to eat perfect. It's to eat better. One delicious step at a time.